pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Cumberland. Local and long-distance movers near me. Residents of Cumberland can rely on our expert long-distance moving services for a hassle-free relocation. We provide specialized packing for delicate items and efficient loading and unloading practices, ensuring a swift and smooth move. Our commitment to customer satisfaction makes your moving experience positive and stress-free. Cumberland's historic charm calls for a moving service that respects its rich past. Our local services include specialized handling of historical and delicate items, expert residential moving, office relocation services, personalized moving plans, and secure transportation of antiques. Trust us to make your move in Cumberland as historic and careful as the town. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cumberland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.